Hi, good afternoon to everyone. My name is Shauka Afiq, and I'm choosing a company A as Everhard. This company industry serve aviation or low-cost airline. They currently have issues right now. My issue chosen is high employee turnover and declining job certification. Why is matter now? Because rapid force pandemic expansion has increased workload. Second, employee dissatisfaction threatens safety, service quality, and brand image. And third is turnover, adds requirement, and training costs. Moving on to the next slide. Background and context. I will talk about AirAsia background. AirAsia is a leading low-cost carrier in Southeast Asia, serving 113 destinations. AirAsia Group 2020. Its employee It also employed 2,000 staff across operation, cabin crew, and ground service in Asia 2023. Its recent report highlight rising burnout and turnover, especially among flight attendants built till 2022. Turnover lead to higher requirement costs, disrupt operation, and lower service quality. The problem or HRM practice. First, the issue in the Air Asia is high employee turnover driven by low job certification, limited recognition, and work-life imbalance. Chua ETL 2022. Consequent, if Air Asia not resolve it, it will lead to loss of skilled staff, loss of moral and productivity, and also decline in customer experience and brand trust. EBM approach. Apply evidence-based management using physiological motivation thanks to guide HR improvement. Oh, sorry, it's theory to guide HR improvement. Moving on to the next slide. Evidence from research. First, fair reward system can reduce turnover by up to 15%. Trevor and Berger 2010. Second, higher pay, especially with growth and promotion, improve retention. Trevor et in 1997. Third is recognition and development programs significantly boost job certification. Storm ETL 2014. Fourth is airline worker stay longer when STEM and physical need are met. Garcia at TL 2022. Lastly, career development reduced turnover, especially among younger employees. Zhao Li and Liu 2021. Insight for Asia. Motivation and growth opportunity are stronger retention driver than salary. For the next slide is aggregating evidence. Most studies say employee turnover can drop 15 to 13% with fair rewards, recognition and development by Trevor and Roger 2010 and Storm 80 and 2014. It proved that AirAsia should enhance reward and training system. Some studies also say that such programs are less effective for gig or short-term jobs, but AI's permanent staff benefit more from recognition and career growth initiative. Balance retention improve most when recognition, learning, and promotion complement fair pay. Garcia ETL 2023 and Zhao and Liu 2021 improve prove that ASA should link career advancement and recognition to motive beyond salary. Now we're moving on to the next slide, theory lens. I use theory lens Maslow hierarchy of need. Theory overview. Maslow 1943 explained that people are motivated by five levels of need. A. Physiological, salary, rest, safety, job security, social, team belonging. B. Esteem, recognition and respect. E. Self-actualization, career growth and learning. Application to ASEAN. ASEAN meet lower need salary benefit but neglect upper need. Maslow 1943. Lack of esteem and self-actualization cause disengagement and turnover. For the next slide, we have a recommendation, driver engagement and recognition framework. Implement a driver engagement and recognition framework to reduce turnover by fulfilling employees' STEM and growth needs. Transparent pay policy. In-app pay calculator with fairness and support safety need. Recognition system two, monthly culture award and can boost motivated and esteem. Storm ETL 2014. Leadership training also can lead to train leader in feedback and motivation and also support belonging and self actualization. Garcia ETL 2022. Evidence-based justification, fair pay recognition and development program can reduce turnover by 15 to 13%. Trevor Bridger 2010, Storm ETL 2014. Maslow 1943, meeting higher level need increased retention and motivation. Yeah, for the next slide, as you can see here is my implementation plan. Timeline to 0 3 month. A key action is launch my reward portal for transparent pay and communication. The goal and link to theory is with trust, fairness, and safety need Maslow. Stakeholder, human department, and tech, tech the metric is reducing turnover 15 to 20% within 12 months. Timeline 3 until 6 months. Starts creation starts K-Star recognition award monthly quarterly, and the goal linked to theory is boost STEM and motivation. Storm ECL 2014. The stakeholder is HR and Ops. A metric is the increased certification score by 35%. The timeline is 6 to 12 months. Key action is roll out the sky training plus career pathway, goal linked to charity, interest, growth, and belonging. The SEL 2022 stakeholder is HR and Ops to metric. The metric is increase in retention, internal engagement, survey participation by 30%. And second last slide is assessing outcome. Before before it's turnover rate 25%, costly retraining and school graph, low moral among cabin crew, limited inclusion and a clear career path, customer certification dropping, annual loss 18 to 20 million rehiring plus training. After every certification increased to 45%, engagement increased to recognition and fair pay to avoid decrease to 50% and 20 million cost saving. 20 million cost saving and team cohesion, increase conflict, decrease, stronger employer brands and service quality, increase. For the last slide is conclusion of the closing brief. Recap flow, issue, high turnover, and low motivation at Asia, evidence recognition plus fair reward, boost retention, the theory, Maslow hierarchy, and admit system includes recommendation, driver engagement, and recognition framework, outcomes, increase certification, decrease turnover, and strong brand loyalty, closing line, evidence-based management, transform Gaswork into competitive and test, EBM alignment, circular EBM cycle, first, ask, second, acquire, third, price, four, apply, and five, assess, ESA, use settle to convert research into HR policy. And here is my referral list. This is the end of my session presentation. Thank you to my dear lecturer and friend, and goodbye.